Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to discuss on a very important subject, certificate of origin. Before going forward, I just request you to please subscribe this channel to get the auto notification of such useful videos. Dear friends, what is certificate of origin? Certificate of origin certifies that the product is manufactured in a particular country and it helps the destination customs to decide tariff on the product. In the age of globalization, various countries are engaged in free trade agreements with other countries, and these free trade agreements are bilateral as well as multilateral. Dear friends, if there is a free trade agreement between the two countries, then according to the agreements, the products are kept with zero import duties or minimal import duties. So, suppose India has a free trade agreement with Japan, say, then if and the product which you are sending to Japan is listed for the zero import duty, then when you send this in Japan along with certificate of origin, then Japanese customs will impose only zero customs duty. What does it mean? It means that importer has to pay nothing as import duty, and if such product is coming from the other countries where there is no free trade agreement, then on the same product there will be some import duty. So your product will be more preferable in Japan. So similarly, if there is a free trade agreement with the countries where you are selling your product and your product is also listed for zero import duty or minimum agreed import duty, then it will be beneficial to you. So for those countries where there is a free trade agreement, preferential certificate of origin is issued. But if there is no free trade agreement with the country where you are sending your items, in that scenario, non-preferential certificate of origin is issued. Dear friends, you might be thinking that you may think that why we need non-preferential certificate of origin. Then let's know. The import duty is one of the way to earn taxes for the government. So when something is coming from the other nations, then the importing countries collect import duties, and it is one of the means of revenue. And second, it is for the for saving the interest of the citizen in the importing country. Suppose in India there are agricultural products which is being sold by Indian farmers within the countries. Now, suppose some countries are sending the agricultural products with very less cost in comparison to the selling price which Indian farmers are selling. Then what happened? Then the product of the Indian farmers will be not purchased by Indian citizen, and Indian citizen will purchase this product from the foreign country only. Then what will happen? Our Indian farmers will be in loss. So to save the farmers' interest, what government will do? Government will put some anti-dumping duty on the agricultural products, and which government suppose that it is coming from a particular country in very cheaper rate on that product, and for that specific country government will put anti-dumping duty, that is a special import duty. So even there is no free trade agreement with a particular country for your product, then non-preferential certificate of origin will save your product by imposing anti-dumping duty or extra special tariff. So this is the benefit of the non-preferential certificate of origin. Now, who will give this certificate of origin? So normally in India, certificate of origin is issued by export promotion councils or chambers of commerce, and the fee for certificate of origin is rupees 600 if it is preferential certificate of origin, and rupees 200 if it is non-preferential certificate of origin. Dear friends, now in digital age, this certificate of origin is available in digital form also, or you can apply from your home. Let us understand how you can do this. You have to visit Trade Connect portal of Directorate General of Foreign Trade. You can visit this portal through Directorate General of Foreign Trade website, or directly you can go on www.tradeconnect.gov.in. You may use, either you can register yourself on Trade Connect portal, or the other way, whatever be the user ID and password of assessing your IEC on DGFT portal, it can be used directly on Trade Connect portal also. When you log in, then portal will ask, are you importer or exporters? You have to select exporter, and if you are an importer, then you can select importer also. Then it will ask that for which product you want the certificate of origin. So there are various products listed in the drop down, like sports goods, like spices, like apparel, like agricultural products. So you can select any 5 products maximum, and then exporting country, or importing country you can select. So importing country, it is also available in the drop down list. Dear friends, this is a part of process, and it doesn't mean that you have to select the product for which you are applying for the certificate of origin. Okay, you can also apply for the other product which you have not selected here, because the maximum restrictions is only 5 products only. Then after selecting these two things, that is products for which you want to certificate of origin and country, destination country, then you have to select the agency through which you want to take these certificates, and in drop down you will get the list of the export promotions councils and these chambers of commerce. You have to select your address which is registered with IEC through the drop down, and the place which is the address. As per your address, the system will show you the list of issuing agency of the certificate of origin, and then you have to provide invoice details, that is invoice number, descriptions of the item, HS code which is used by Indian customs, then HS code of the product which is in the destination country, then quantity, then unit of measurement UOM, that is quantity you are mentioning is in which unit, then invoice value of the item in the currency of invoice. Suppose you have made the invoice in yen, then what is the value of the invoice in yen, then value of the product in Indian currency, and value of the product in US dollar. You have to provide the product details also. Product details means product specific descriptions you have to provide, and then you have to declare whether this product is originated wholly in India, or you have imported some parts from the other countries. In case the product is the some of the parts, some of the percentage of the product is imported from other countries, then you have to give the details of what percentage of cost is involved from imported items. Dear friends, any product which is wholly originated in India, or the cost of the product have 40% shares of processing or value addition in India. So if minimum 40% cost is involved as a value addition, then the item shall be treated as originated in India. Suppose you have imported yarn from China, and then you have prepared the cloth in India, and then you have designed the garments, you have designed the t-shirts, you have put some other material in t-shirts, and then you have packed t-shirts, and during the processing of making these t-shirts in India, the cost is minimum 40% of the overall cost, then the t-shirt shall be regarded as originated in India. In free trade agreements, it is mentioned that what percentage should be there for what percentage of the cost should be there for the treatment as originated from India or in a specific country. So now most of the free trade agreements it is minimum 40% cost. So then you have to provide a process flow that how you are getting this raw material and what is the cost of the raw material per unit, and then what value addition you are doing, and in this value addition what cost involved. So process flow you have to explain. Then you have to upload the invoice, and if you have imported some parts from the other country, then purchase invoice you have to also upload. Then packing list or postal or courier receipt, or you may provide them the shipping bill. So these things can be uploaded as a supporting documents. You have to provide the full name and address, full address of the importer also, and the country in which you are importing. After entering all these details, you need to sign the application either via Aadhaar based OTP or digital signature certificate class 2 or class 3. Generally it should be class 3 digital signature certificates. After signing of the application, you need to pay the fee. It is rupees 600 if the certificate of origin is preferential, and rupees 200 if the certificate of origin is non-preferential. And after issuance of the, after submission of the application, after payment and submission, it will be examined by the concerned Export Promotion Council or Chambers of Commerce, and if they need more information or additional documents to certify that the product is originated in India, then they will ask it through email from you, and after clarification the certificate is issued digitally. You can download it and you can print it. So this is the easy process for getting certificate of origin. Dear friends, this video is prepared for your convenience and to help your businesses. Dear friends, it is requested to share these videos with your friends who are engaged in similar business that may benefit them, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Please suggest me on what subject you want my detailed video, and even you have any question on the subject of this video, you can mention in the comment section. I will provide the reply as early as possible. So thanks for watching this video.